This video is brought to you by the Shadow Angel Genesis, the South Bend Dart Frog Murders, and the true story of Mrs. Claus. The Shadow Angel Genesis follows the story of Daniel Adrian Angelescu, the Vatican's greatest monster hunter. And now the saga continues with Dark Harvest. If you don't know why we celebrate Halloween, I'd say it's time you learned. In the South Bend Dart Frog Murders, the seniors of St. Thomas More High School are all looking forward to their final year. But then the city of South Bend is rocked by a serial killer called the Dart Frog. The true story of Mrs. Claus shines a light on a love story that is well known, but often overlooked. Click the links in the description below to get your copies today. Thank you for your support! Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host, Robert Cantor, and today I've got another Wonka Bar for you. If you're like me, then you were fortunate enough to grow up with Invader Zim's unique style of over-the-top absurdist humor. I'll say right off the bat that the taste is very unusual, but not unpleasant. If it were, I wouldn't be making a video about it. In the episode Nano Zim, Gur is seen drinking a, quote, suck monkey, unquote, that he says is chocolate bubblegum flavored. The Pop Rocks is added for Zim and Gur's explosive personalities. And who can forget the classic line, "Why was there bacon in the soap?" Follow these instructions, and in no time at all, you'll have a very unusual chocolate bar that perfectly captures the chaos and absurd humor that is Invader Zim. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books.